If there were ever rival diets, keto and paleo are it. Both diets have gone viral on the internet, and they don't appear to be going away anytime soon. While you might believe they're nearly identical, after all, they're both low carb, the only thing that they have in common is that they both cut you off from bread. The primary difference is that most of your calories come from fat on the keto diet, whereas most of your calories come from protein on the paleo diet, says nutritionist Keri Gans, registered dietitian, author of The Small Change Diet. Here's everything you need to know about the other differences so you can decide whether either diet is worth trying on your own. There's no way you haven't come across any keto-related stuff on the internet recently. But even if you have, the diet can be a little perplexing. The keto diet is all about getting your body into a condition called ketosis, when you're using fat for energy instead of carbs, which is your body's default energy source. You'll need to consume a lot of fat to do this. You should obtain 60 to 80% of your calories from fat on the keto diet, and the rest should mostly come from proteins, adds Gans. On the diet, you can have a few carbs, just around 10% of your daily calories, a big change from the current recommendations from the Dietary Guidelines for Americans, which suggest 45 to 65% of your calories from carbs. Keto-friendly foods. Meats or plant-based meats like tempeh or tofu. Poultry. Eggs. Fish. Dairy. Healthy fats like avocados and olive oil, even grass-fed butter or ghee. Nuts and seeds. Leafy greens and other non-starchy veggies. Avocados and berries. The paleo diet is a cakewalk in comparison to the ketogenic diet, just, not one you can actually eat. The paleo diet is obviously more liberal than the keto diet, Gans explains, since you have more options and can eat more fruits and vegetables. In contrast to the keto diet, the paleo diet emphasizes on whole food groups to eat: meats, fruits and vegetables, and good fats, while avoiding certain foods like dairy, processed foods, and whole and refined grains. It too has its disadvantages. Basically, it's a style of eating that is intended to be similar to how our Paleolithic forefathers ate, Gans adds. That means no processed or refined foods, no beans, no grains, no dairy, or anything else that cavemen couldn't eat during hunting and gathering periods. Paleo-friendly foods. Grass-fed meat, poultry, seafood, eggs, nuts and seeds, fruits and veggies, coconut oil, olive oil, and avocado oil, but not vegetable oils like canola oil. Both of them may help you lose weight in the short term, but it's conceivable that it's because you're removing so many of your favorite meals that you're simply eating less overall. The bottom truth is that you might be losing weight because you're restricting yourself so much, Gans says. And, she says, if you abandon both diets, you may wind up gaining more weight than you did when you first started. Definitely not ideal. Nobody tells you this about going paleo. However, if you must choose, paleo is probably the superior option. It's technically healthier, Gans adds, since you have more options and the majority of your calories aren't from full fat. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope this video helps you to understand the certain principles and habits that are quite beneficial when it comes to quitting sugar and losing weight, as well as creating a new, healthy paleo lifestyle. If you're interested in watching more videos like this one, then click the link in the description for your one-day keto-friendly meal plan. Then hit the subscribe button and change its color to a beautiful red. See you in the next video.